Good medical morning. This is Watson, your Wizard of the Weird, with an amazing story about the oldest man to ever have walked the earth. Let's talk about CHING. The oldest man in the world lived to be 256 years old. That can't be right, can it? Well, let's tell the widely circulated story, and you can comment below if you think it's real or fake. Nice. Much of our information is from Wikipedia, so it has to be real, right? From age 10, he worked as an herbalist, selling lingzi, goji berry, wild ginseng, hosho wu, and cola, along with other Chinese herbs. Man, sounds like stuff you'd find in an herbal supplement like Restmore. Anyway, he lived off a diet of these herbs and rice wine. Delicious. Disputed reports indicate that he was born in either 1677 or 1736. He passed away in May of 1933, implying an age at death of 197 and 256 years, respectively. Both far exceed the highest verified ages on record. He died from natural causes in China and was survived by his 24th wife, a woman of 60 years. Li supposedly produced over 200 descendants during his lifespan, surviving 23 wives. Other sources credit him with 180 descendants, over 11 generations, living at the time of his death, and 14 marriages. Many people credit his all-herb and wine diet with his longevity, but others think the entire story is a hoax. So what did Snopes have to say about Li? Well, they said it's highly unlikely, but they couldn't definitively say that this was in fact a hoax. What do you think? Comment below. We asked, and here's what you had to say about Restmore.
The cool thing is I wake up refreshed, don't feel groggy.
I slept really well, and I have no residual, sleepy, drowsy feeling.
Now I am wide awake at work because I sleep well at night. Thanks, Restmore.
That's right, Restmore. More and more people are sending in their testimonials. Better, deeper sleep, all natural and healthy, more energy during the day. Let's hear more.
I've been getting the best sleep ever.
I'm finding myself sleeping all through the night, waking up fresh and rested in the mornings.
I'm bright and alert. It has changed my life for the better.
I keep hearing from people who've been trying the product, same thing. It just puts them to sleep.
If you haven't tried Restmore yet, it's time to order yours from Amazon. Time to boost your metabolism and kick your energy level into high gear. There you go. When you just need more rest, get Restmore. There's an Amazon link in the description below.